ManyChat, is a connector of worlds. Over 95% of people that get a text message will open up that message. We don't even allow somebody to opt in to something unless they give us their phone number. Facebook owns Instagram and they also own WhatsApp. What they call the APIs have been opened, and now ManyChat is working on getting this integration to happen. So very soon, you're gonna be able to create a conversation. There's one world, and that world is called ManyChat. And ManyChat doesn't do anything by itself. ManyChat allows you to connect all these worlds. So this is the ManyChat world over here. And what ManyChat allows you to do is to structure one message over here, and you can decide where do you want to place that exact message. You can place that message on Instagram DM, or you can place it on email, or you can place it on Messenger, or you can place it on SMS, or you can place it on WhatsApp, or you can place it in all 5 of them at the same time. Or, you know what you can do? You can get one message into SMS and then say, once they read that message, send them another message here, and then 24 hours later, send them a message on email, and then send them a message on Instagram, and then do this. All of that can be done in ManyChat. ManyChat allows you to build these conversations. It is a conversational builder engine. It allows you to create a vision about what journey you want to put a prospect through, and you can build out that journey inside ManyChat. That's what ManyChat is all about. It is that powerful tool that allows you to connect these worlds and make them all interact and talk to each other in the places where people have their attention. So ManyChat by itself, it's nothing. ManyChat, it is a connector of worlds. You have 5 different worlds here in this example. SMS, we all have a phone. We all open up our text messages. The numbers are over 95% of people that get a text message will open up that message. That is attention at a broad scale. Messenger, 70% of the people in the United States have Facebook Messenger. So 7 out of 10 human beings have Messenger, and they use it a lot to interact with their families, with their friends, to have conversations, to have group chats, to have video chats, and to interact with businesses. Facebook Messenger also gets opened at 90% open rates. Email, we all have emails, right? The problem with email is that we all have many emails. We only have one phone number, but sometimes we have 5 emails, 6 emails, and we don't open up a lot of these things. And also at the same time, platforms like Gmail have made it easy for you to actually exclude promotional messages from your inbox and put other things on spam and keep things that you only care about inside your inbox. So email marketing still has a value, it's still very important and powerful, but if you accumulate 100 leads, if you bring in 100 people into your world, understand this, 80 of those people will not even see your follow-up emails and messages, which means that one lead on Facebook Messenger is almost 5 times more valuable than an email list. An email list lead, right? Why? Because you're looking at 90+% open rates versus 20% open rate. It's just common sense. Same thing with a phone number. A phone number today is extremely valuable, way more valuable than an actual email. So whatever you're doing to accumulate leads, make sure that you're including phone number extraction as part of the process. One of the major changes that we've done over the years in the world of marketing in general is that we don't even allow somebody to opt in to something unless they give us their phone number. If we're giving out a resource, a mini course, some kind of quiz, we're doing a survey, anything that we do, we extract phone numbers, because I'm not gonna give somebody my value if they're not willing to give me back something that is gonna allow me to string a connection with them long term. If they don't wanna give me their information, then I'm not gonna give them my value. And that's a fair deal. So you gotta understand how these platforms operate, and they're all important, but they're all separate. So the fact that you can have one platform called ManyChat help you communicate in all 5 platforms, and now you start controlling your own audience. So the purpose of having ManyChat here is controlling your own destiny. One of the biggest mistakes that I have done in my marketing career is think about just focus on bringing people from Facebook direct to a sales page and doing nothing but that. Why would that be such a big mistake? Because I am still putting my destiny in the hands of Facebook. I don't get to control my relationship. I always have to bring them through a particular route that allows me to control that conversation from that point on. Facebook is incredibly powerful and Instagram is incredibly powerful when it comes to building audiences. And top of the funnel, people that are contacting you for the first time and acquiring first-time customers. But if you're not building your world outside of social media, on Messenger, on SMS, on email, on Instagram, on WhatsApp, if you're not working on building your world, you're missing out on the value of these platforms that allow you to converse with people and build these relationships along the way. That's what it is. It is a relationship builder on steroids, and it allows you to make that connection with people outside the social media channel. That's what ManyChat is all about, and that's why I'm a big fan of it, and I'm one of the biggest advocates of the ManyChat platform itself.